Okay, so what I've got here are some American 5200 series locks. This one on the left, slightly taller body, it's interesting, is a 5200 series non-military issue. It is non-key retaining. That's essentially the only difference. This is an older American key retaining military issue, same size as the newer military issue lock here. See, the keys are somewhat different. And here's an older one. Here's that key. Here's the new key. Next to that, there's a slightly different key profile. And you'll see the keyways are obviously different. There's a new one on the left. A little narrower. Can't use the same tension tool in them. And what I didn't realize was that when I bought this, this was a bump stop. So the Master Lock Company, who now manufactures American brand locks, are putting their bump stop technology into the American locks. So, key retaining. There's the bitting. And we're going to see if I can get it open. If I can get it open, I might try to gut it. I've never seen the inside of one of these bump stop locks, so I'm a little bit curious. It's a little bit more restrictive keyway than the other ones. That's not usually helpful. I think I might have to try a different pick here. Get at that front pin without pushing my tension tool out of the keyway. go. Okay, she's open. It's that first pin that was sticking. Let me see if I can. Okay, we got Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, pretty typical. And this is your bump stop cylinder. It's very, very tiny. I mean, that's like the width, less than the width of my thumb. Very odd. Does this have a retaining pin? Oh my God, no, it doesn't. This is quite the interesting critter here. Stick that back in, and there's the key. I don't know what we're going to use for a follower for this. I have a feeling that's going to be too big. Well, see if we can just turn it around here. Take a look at the key pins. There's pin 5. That is a standard. Pin 4 is a standard. Pin 3 is a standard. Pin 1 is a standard. So no serrations. Pin 2 doesn't want to come out, apparently. Yeah, there's got to be something here to use as a follower. Maybe this will work. Pin 2 is a standard. So those are the key pins. Let's see what we got in the Bible here. So like pin 1 is a standard. Pin 2. This must be one of their bump stop jobbies. There we we go. It's got like a little spooled end on one end and a little spooled end on the other end. I guess there's some sort of special spring or something that's against. Not sure how those work. Pin 3. Upper pin 3 is a standard. Upper pin 4 is on the floor. Upper pin 5 is a standard. And 2 standard springs. I'm just going to take a quick look to see if I can find that pin that I dropped. And if not, we'll come back to it. Well, that's basically it. You can see just that one kind of bump stop pin there. It's got the spooling on it. And that's really the only thing that's a non-standard pin in this cylinder. Strange little cylinder. That's it. Thanks for watching.